Today we're opening Tic Tac Toy, looking for a super rare toy.
Hi everybody, today is Kayla and Jacob here, and today we're going to be opening an XO friend.
An XO friend?
I have something too.
What you got?
Let me go get it.
Alright, you go get it. We'll be back.
Okay. So, should we get started?
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
What you got? Guitar? What's that? XO, huh? That's something new.
I wonder who you got.
I wonder who you got. This is going to be exciting.
Collect. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
And these are all the figures that you could get.
It's a lot of figures.
And these are all the wings.
This is super cool, guys.
This is the figure.
Let's open up that figure.
You have the llama. I think you have a llama.
Llama, let's see.
This is pink.
We need scissors to get that open?
Yeah, we need scissors.
Alright, safety first. I'll be right back. I'll get the scissors, then we'll come back to the video.
Yeah.
Alright, it's all cut. Nice.
Yeah. And I got the poodle.
Ooh, the poodle. Let me see. Put it by the camera.
I got her.
That is Claire. That's a rare one. Oh, you got a rare one.
I got the rare one, and it's Claire. Now let's open the surprises.
It's super rare, guys. We got the rare Claire.
The wings. And I got these wings.
Got their wings. Alright.
And I got these wings. He's cute.
Pretty cool, huh? Check this out, guys. It's the rare, very, very rare. Look at the wings. Super awesome.
What?
Ooh, bracelet. Nice. What you got? A guitar? Let's see you play it. Oh, is that Spider-Man? Cool Spider-Man guitar. Nice.
Thanks for watching. Just give me a huge thumbs up. Press on
Thumbs up.
to notifications. See you guys later. Bye.